Hello, in this very lesson, we're going to be solving the second question we are given as a take home in our previous lesson on modular arithmetic. Now, let's see if you're one of those, that solve this very question right. So, what do we have right here on the board? Write 35 and minus 35 in modulus 17. Now, how do we write 35 and minus 35 in modulus 17? Don't forget that this very modulus 17, don't forget that modulus is the peak number for every, number we're dealing with. Once a number gets to modulus 17, that number repeats the same circle. So let's see, the first thing we're going to do is to divide this 35 divided by 17. What do we have? We're going to create our 17 times table. 17 times 0 is 0. 17 times 1 is 17. We are looking for 35. 17 times 2 is 34. And 17 times 3 will give us 51. Now, we are looking for 35. So either we get 35 or we get a figure that is very close or approximate to the 35 we're looking for. Right here, we don't have any 35. We just have 0. We have 17. We have 34, which is very, very close to 35, and 51, which is far more than 35. So we don't go with this. We go with 34. So 17 in 35 is 2. Remainder, 35 minus 34 is 1. So 17 in 35 is 2 remainder 1. So what's our result? Our result is 1 modulus 17. That's our result, as simple as ABC. So for us to write 35 in modulus 17, it is 1 modulus 17. So how do we write the negative minus 35 in modulus 17? Now, I showed you a method. Once you get one of them, don't forget this 35, 35, but the difference is the signs. This is positive 35, this is negative 35. So we've gotten the positive 35 to be 1 modulus 17. So for us to get the negative 35, you just take this remainder, subtract it from this very modulus, then we've gotten our result. So minus 35 written in modulus 17 would be 17 minus 1 is 16 modulus 17. That is our result, as simple as A, B, C. So if you try to use this method, you're going to get the same thing. You're looking for minus 35. So let's try it out, this very long protocol. 17 times minus 1 is minus 17. You're looking for minus 35. Minus 17 is way bigger than minus 35. You just continue, we keep at it. 17 times minus 2 is minus 34, quite close. You're looking for minus 35, but this is still bigger than this. 17 times minus 3 gives us minus 51. Now, minus 51 is lesser than minus 35. So we're going to stop here. We'll stop here. This is our result. So 17 and minus 35 will give us minus 3 remainder. Then this one we're looking for. This one we're going to go with this minus 35 minus minus 51. So minus 35 plus 51 will give us plus 16. So minus 3 remainder 16. What's our answer? 16 modulus 17. So see, it's very simple. And I'm very sure that most of us got this very question right. So at the very point in time, we're done with this very lesson. So if you found this lesson resourceful or helpful, I'd love you to subscribe to this very channel at EduMosaic, and also give me a follow at Revelation on Facebook. So see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.